Afternoon everyone, and welcome to episode 4. We're at the Wildlands, which is our 1.2 hectare or 3 acre roughly homestead and off-grid heaven that we're slowly building and taking you on a journey, showing you every step of the way. And in tonight's episode we're still on clearing, which I imagine will be on for quite some time, but we've got Frank the Digger, who is infamous in our local area, very well recommended. You can just see on my side a little sneak peek as he's been flattening our access and creating a bigger turning area, and then in turn we get a whole pile of gravel delivered and Frank flattens that down. Also in tonight's episode, Martin misbehaves a little bit on the digger, and a lot of work was achieved, so thanks a lot to Frank. I'd also like to say a big welcome to our 2,000 new subscribers that have joined us in the last month. Absolutely fabulous, that is. Makes it all worthwhile, so welcome to you all. And our older subscribers too, thanks very much for following our journey. And if you're new to the channel for the first time tonight, please do like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Always try and get back to everyone if I can. So thanks very much for watching, and enjoy tonight's episode with Frank the Digger. Cheers.
We are those weirdos, a family of 7.
We've been living, working and travelling for 2 years in our self-converted Sprinter van.
I have a chameleon.
We're driving to Portugal to find a bit of off-grid land to buy, then we're going to apply for residency and avoid the Schengen restrictions caused by Brexit.
We'll be filming every bit of the process so you can come along with us and be part of our journey. Morning, 8 o'clock Monday. So the digger booked by the previous owner for last Monday and then for Saturday, lo and behold, didn't show up. So we booked Frank the Digger, who's recommended by all the local off-gridders, and it's the last walk up the area pre-digger. So I'm just walking down the track to what we call the turning circle, and if I use that as an opportunity to turn round, you'll see just in the distance behind those trees is where Martin's parked, and we're in front of Martin. So this area will be cleared today, making more parking. This tree's got to come out, and that area hopefully cleared for more parking to make the turning circle bigger. And then these piles going. You can hear Juan running about having his morning walk. So going to make another parking area in there, and then these piles down the middle of the end of the track have all come from over there, which we've cleared, and the plan is to push all this down the bottom, make this track flatter, and then hopefully either here we're going to make another area to turn for our van to park. So we park, go into there, doors facing that way so that we've got that view. Alternatively, we're going to see if Frank can go past these 3 trunks and get us a turning area just down the bottom there. So there we go, last look at all our piles of tinder. It's a nice cool morning today, always is in the morning, up until about 11 o'clock. The sun's already up and coming up. Lovely blue sky. There's Sir Martin.
Hey dog.
Getting his gloves ready to do some raking.
Yeah.
That's what Martin's known for. If you don't know him in van life,
it's not hammer time, is it?
No, it's rake time.
It's rake time. Do you mean break time?
No, not break time. We've had a break. doing a good job of flattening out the middle of the access point where it was full of wood chip, which is cleared out. He's taken the earth from our land on the left by the big yellow bag, which is full of manure. And then the Britta, which is like large chunks of gravel, amazingly is coming this evening. Only ordered it this morning, haven't even paid for it. And that will cover all this. And carry on down here where Frank hasn't got to yet. And he's going to clear this bit here too for another van. But he works hard and he's a lovely guy as well, full of advice. Really enjoying his company. So if you're in Portugal, or central Portugal I could say, because he doesn't travel a million miles, in central Portugal and you need a digger, Frank's definitely a man. Came very highly recommended by about a dozen people locally to us and online, and well deserved. Lovely chap. That's Martin in the background.
Check out the size of this truck coming down, freewheeling down the track.
That's a big truck.
I would have said 3 little trucks.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing.
Tuesday morning, day 2 of access clearing and making of our drive. So you've seen the massive lorry that came in last night. I've got 12 tons of gravel behind me, and Frank's flattening out where the big lorry came in and damaged some of his work last night. And then it's raking and pushing all the Britta, which is a form of gravel, over the path and the access areas. So it's going to be a hot day later. It's about 7 in the morning at the moment. Sun's come up, but it's cool, quite chilly really for Portugal, but it'll be getting colder every morning as we head off into the winter in the near few weeks and months.
So some excellent progress made this morning. Dom's probably already updated you, but his camera was lying about, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to come and have a little waffle. So yeah, we're just, it seems like a pointless exercise to anyone that's watching, scraping out the Britta or the stones or however you would like to call it, but it certainly makes life a bit easier. The digger can only do so much and you can just spread it out yourself. We have Dom over here, he's doing some gardening. Good morning, Dom.
Garden's a bit of a compliment. We're clearing this bit here to make another park up there, and these brush things are a nightmare. They grow back through, so I'm just trimming them all off before Frank can come back and level this out.
So yeah, hopefully by the end of the day this lot will be absolutely completed. The vans will be back down here because, Dom, we have been suffering with no solar. So if there's any companies out there that would like to support Dom's channel and help us all out, and probably send me out a little panel as well, you're after a full solar array, aren't you? What do you want, like 8 gigawatts or something?
So yeah,
we want a lot, don't we?
We're going to build a tiny house, so we're going to need a lot of solar for that to run on all our freezers.
Oh, your freezers?
Yeah.
Mate, what do you need this for? Ice cream?
For ice cream.
Ice cream,
Yeah,
just ice cream.
and chilled beers.
Chilled beers.
Yeah.
I'm going to get back to work because I haven't really done a lot today, and I need to justify my stay here.
Lugs. Hot from tree cutting. So Frank's creating a dam over on the turning circle. So what that means is he's widened out the area that's flat, and where it slopes off, he's filled that or backfilled it with the tree roots and the stumps that he's taken out, and then he's flattened that down with his digger, and then he's covering it with tons of topsoil. So it's called a dam because when it rains, all the rotten material that's going down the slope stops all the soil from spilling off the edge. So he's moving a lot of soil. I'll take you over and I'll show you what he's moving. So that's the dam to stop it spilling down the hill over there. This is all the soil here from this massive hole, which you can see down here. Earth here is spreading over here and over here, and then we've created another park up here on this plateau, which is granite here. You can see it's a nice area here. Uncle Martin is doing a bit of clearing down here. All right, Marty?
I'm good. Very hot.
It is getting warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, the good news is not far off till it's time for a beer.
I mean, my skin actually says it's beer o'clock right now.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Well, it's always beer o'clock, isn't it?
No, I want to try and get this done. We're struggling for afternoon shade.
Yeah.
And this might not help actually because the sun comes this way. But if this little terrace is cleared, then it's somewhere else, somewhere nicer.
Yeah. And it's nice that it joins up with Missy's area here and Rosie's area, which is down here.
It's a lot of work, Dom.
It's a lot of work, isn't it?
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. I think a lot of the people that have been commenting are volunteering to come over and do some clearing. It's a lot less work if you get all your supporters over.
That would be an idea.
Yeah, we could have a YouTube meet-up.
Great party.
There's lots of little holes here, which could be scorpions.
Scorpion City.
Yeah, Rosie did actually call the turning circle Scorpion Alley. So we're going to get a UV torch because you can see them at night. And we did see that one running across. It was running across here before it was cleared. And then I'll show you the progress on the drive. Look at that. Bin area, swing you round. So we've got quite a few park ups now. Our fellow friends and van lifers. So we can get 2 vans in here. And then this is going to be a sitting communal area. This bit here. But it could double up as a 3rd park up. Probably get a van over here, maybe one here and one here. So 6, 7, 8 vans, no problem I don't think. Could probably get more in.
Hard at work, sitting in the shade, discussing the hard work that's actually being done.
Start that again.